fun experiment. Let's start. For this we need dishwashing soap, cotton swab, milk, plate and colors. Step 1. Pour milk into the plate and allow milk to settle. Step 2. Add 1 drop of each color. Step 3. Take clean cotton swab and just touch it. Did anything happen? No. Step 4. Now place a drop of liquid soap on other end of cotton swab. Step 5. Touch the center of plate. Wow, look at the burst of color. Wow, it's so interesting to do. Place the swab different place of plate. Color in the milk is continue moving. Wow. Hope you like this video. Bye friends. Please subscribe for more videos. Step 4. Now place a drop of liquid soap on other end of liquid soap. Other end of liquid soap. Other end of liquid soap.